Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. We're excited to announce the launch of our mobile view for Agent Map tool. So if you are a title sales rep and you're going on the road to meet with clients, before you step in to have lunch with a real estate agent or go into a brokerage and meet with many agents, you can take a look at this and see what their productivity is, which title companies they're using, and it will be a great help for you. So it's a little bit different than our desktop dashboard. So I want to share with you how to navigate the mobile view. First thing you want to do is go to navstats.com, click on Login, the drop-down menu, click on Login. Going to enter your credentials, and you're going to log in. And as this is loading, the first thing I want to show you is how to add an icon to your phone screen so that you can easily get into this application with a single tap. So first thing you want to do is click on the Share button down at the bottom the screen, and you're going to scroll down to Add to Home Screen. Click Add, and now you'll see an icon on your phone you can easily get into. Okay, so let's go through the navigation of this. In the upper section, you have agents or brokerages. You can look at either. You have filter and sort and save. Down at the bottom, if you're in an agent detail or brokerage detail, you can just click on search to get right back to the search page. As you save reports, you're going to be able to go into your save section and, of course, the account section. So if you need to get into your account, you can. Okay, so let's look at, let's create a custom filter and sort. First thing we want to do is we're going to sort by listing transactions. We'll go high to low. We're going to do this year. Let's change this to go to Clark and Cowlitz. And once you select your counties, you can go in and actually select specific cities within those two counties, or you can go even deeper and select zip codes within those counties. So if you have an area that's in your county that's really hot, one section or set of zip codes or cities that are really growing quickly, you can really isolate those and look at them specifically. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take off buyer and dual agent. We're just going to look at listing agents, and we're going to do a minimum of 10 transactions. I'm going to apply those filters. If you come in and you want to reset the filters, just click on that. But we're just going to apply the filters. And now it's going to give us a list of agents from high to low in the number of deals closed this year. So Jacqueline at Keller Williams, Catherine Dodd, she's a builder agent. Violet, again, a builder's agent. Amy is at Keller Williams. Let's look at Amy really quick. So you go to the agent detail page, you have her information, her brokerage information, her transaction distribution, and her overview of roles. Now, if we selected dual and buyer's agents, you would see those numbers listed here. She's got 29 closings this year as a listing agent. She uses primarily Chicago. You can click on the pie chart and see how many transactions at each company she's closing. And then below that, you see the listing transactions. Now, these can be sorted by sales, role, title company. You can go high to low or low to high. So if you're doing, let's say, date sold, now we're going to look at the beginning of the year through the current date. So here's all of her transactions that she's done as a listing agent, sales price, date, and address, and which title company she used for it. So that's really helpful. If you wanted to look at Keller Williams, you would just click on the Keller Williams here. And we're going to sort by listing deals total. So again, you're going to see Jackie, Michael, Amy, and as you go down. So like I said, as you're stepping into a brokerage, you can take a look at this and say, you know what, Amy Tierney or Teresa Lowe, let's look at Teresa and see what she's got. So Teresa has Chicago, WFG, Fidelity, First American. So she favors First American, but she has several title companies that she's working with. And again, this is the pie chart that will show when you show both listing and buyer's agents. And then again, below that is all of her listing information. So let's go back to our original sort. And just to remind you, it's this year, listing transactions, Clark and Cowlitz, agents, listing role, and 10 or more. So let's say this is a filter that you want to save so that you can always get to it very easily. You're going to just click Saved and do Clark, Cowlitz, year to date. And then if you want to add anybody on your sales team or your management team, let's say I want to add Amy to this, just click on her toggle button and she'll be sent a copy of this report. Now you have it. So when you go into save, you'll see Clark Cowlitz and you can get right into it. And you can save as many of those as you want. If you want to, let's say you want to change this up a little bit and do, I just want to look at Cowlitz County now. Then we're going to apply that filter. We're going to save changes and we're going to create a new search. And this is going to be Cowlitz year to date. Fix that. And we're done, and we're going to save that. Now when you go into your saved searches, you're going to see both of them there, so you can easily toggle back and forth. So that's really the functionality that we have right now, and we're excited to release it and to get your feedback. If you have questions, if you'd like to see a live demo or have us come and visit your team and show you how it works, this in conjunction with TitleTrack gives you incredible functionality and visibility into the marketplace to help you grow your business and to find the right agents to work with and create relationships with. Thanks for your time today. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.